This chocolate chip cream cheese ball is guaranteed to be the MVP of your next gathering. Welcome to Fire Eats and Treats. My name is Demond.
And I'm Amanda.
And today, we're blending the rich creaminess of cream cheese with the timeless appeal of chocolate chip cookies. When you think of Super Bowl parties or any gathering, it's great to have easy-to-grab finger foods on hand. Right, Amanda?
That's right. And this dessert is bound to score big with your guests. So let's go.
First, let's prepare our cream cheese mixture. In a stand mixer fitted with a paddle attachment, mix together your cream cheese and butter until fully incorporated. Make sure your cream cheese and butter are at room temperature. Well-softened ingredients ensure a silky smooth texture and makes blending easier. Next, add the chocolate chip cookie mix. Your mix will come with chocolate chips, but it's okay because when we're finished, you'll hardly notice. After that, add your powdered sugar and vanilla extract. Then mix until well combined. While mixing, you may hear the chocolate chips break apart. Don't worry, because we'll be adding even more chocolate chips later. Mix until all your ingredients are well combined and your mixture is nice and smooth. Now fold in 1 cup of mini chocolate chips until evenly distributed. To shape our cheese ball, we'll lay out a piece of plastic wrap. Then scoop the cream cheese mixture onto the plastic wrap, wrapping tightly to shape it into a ball. Add an extra layer of plastic wrap to ensure the ball retains its shape. Place the wrap ball in a freezer for 2 hours or until firm. After your cheese ball is firmed up, we're ready to coat it with chocolate chips. Remove it from the freezer and set aside. Then take the mini chocolate chips and spread them out on a shallow dish. Create an even layer, then unwrap your cheese ball onto the bed of chocolate chips. Gently roll the cheese ball into the mini chocolate chips, coating the surface entirely with the chocolate chips. Rolling the cheese ball in chocolate chips provides a delightful crunch, a burst of flavor, and an irresistible texture that complements the creamy interior. This will make sure your dessert looks and tastes fire. Once coated, it's ready to transfer to a serving dish. As always, you can find ingredients, exact amounts, and equipment used in the video description. Serve with assorted cookies or graham crackers for dipping. If you're not serving it on the same day, you can store it in the freezer. Just make sure to remove it about an hour before serving to let it come to room temperature. After that, your chocolate chip cookie cream cheese ball is ready to eat. All right, everybody, the chocolate chip cookie cream cheese ball is done, and we are ready to eat. Thank you, Amanda. It looks amazing, and this will be the MVP of your party. At least it'll get the party started. So let's go ahead and get started eating it. Here we go. Cheers. I gotta learn how to take smaller bites so that I can talk. But I will tell you what, it tasted good on the initial crunch, but then that cream cheese and that, it just came through. And the second layer of flavor is what makes this dessert.
I have a lot of cheese ball recipes, and this is one of my favorites. And using the Betty Crocker cookie mix was a very big added bonus to this dessert. It just made the dessert shine.
Yeah. We're not sponsored by Hershey's, but you have to use the Hershey's semi-sweet mini chocolate chips. There is no other substitute. It will not taste the same.
That's for sure. This is the best chocolate chip on the market, especially for this type of dessert.
Okay, so the best way to describe the flavor is that the cream cheese ball by itself tastes a lot like cookie dough. The cheese ball with the vanilla wafers tastes a lot like cookie dough ice cream.
Yes, yes.
And then the cream cheese ball with the graham cracker tastes a lot like cheesecake. So it's almost like 3 desserts in one.
Yes, I would agree.
And that's all there is to it, folks. This recipe is easy to do and it tastes great. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out some of our other Treat Week episodes. You'll enjoy those as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.